Hi everyone, in this video I'll be explaining my lab experiment 2, an AI powered block content generator built using Python, Gradio and Olama. This lab experiment allows us to generate high quality SEO friendly blog posts locally using open source AI models like Q, Mistral and Gima. And first I installed two libraries, Gradio and Olama. Uh, Gradio, which helps to create an interactive web interface, and Request, which allows communication between our Python code. And the Olama API runs locally. And then I use the command Olama pull q queen 2 colon 0.5b to download the AI model that will generate the blog content. And this part Next, I import the required libraries and set two consonants. The URL where Olama is running on local system, the model name will be using, which is this one. This is the model name. And next, this part of the code is this is the main function that handles block generation. It takes several inputs like topic, tone, audience, keywords, styles, and even options for SEO optimization and reference. And next, this part of the code is here. Here, I clean the user's outline input by splitting it into a list of bullet points for one for each line. This helps the AI generate a blog that follows a proper structure like introduction, application, and conclusion. And next, this part of the code belongs to and this. Next, I create a structured prompt that will send to the AI model. This prompt tells the model exactly what kind of blog to write, including the tone, style, target audience, and other important parameters. It also passes the outline to make sure the AI follows a structure. And next, this part of the code belongs to. Then I sent this prompt to the Olama server using post request. Olama runs the queue model locally on the computer and returns the generated block content as a response. And next, this part of the code is this part checks if the response from Olama was successful. If it is worked, we extract and run the generated block text. If not, we show an error message. And next, this part of the code. Here I start building the Gradia UI using the block of layout. It displays a title and description for the web app. And next, this part is goes to, and for each this inputs let user controls how the block should be generated. For example, they can choose tone as conversational, enable SEO optimization, or include writing tips. And next, this I add a button for generating the block and large text box to display the final AI generated content. And next, this part is where the user clicks the generate block button. It calls the generate block function and displays the generated output in the text area. And this demo.launch is finally I launch the Gradio app. It opens in the browser where user can enter their inputs and get an instant AI generated block. And here we'll see the output. And here I'll give any topic I need. Up to now I'll give AI in education. And here with like a writing tone is we have like four kinds: informative, conversational, formal, and casual. Here I'll choose information. And length of the, and here I'll give 200. And here I'll give introduction, content, conclusion, result. And my target audience are student. And here you can give any like keywords: AI, English, and next we'll give generate blog. And here we'll get the output. It will take time. Okay, and here is the output. We have here we asked introduction, content, conclusion, and here this is the output. And at last, the conclusion. This experiment combines Gradio for UI, Llama for local AI models, and Python request library for communication. It allows us to create customized SEO, optimized and creative blogs differently from a computer without needing any online API or cloud model. Thank you.